excited tsaka kinakabahan. Excited kasi after ng pandemic natuloy na rin sa wakas.
This wedding's supposed to happen April 25, 2019. COVID came, postponed for how many times?
Nung April 25 nung lockdown, hanggang na-move, July, September, tas naging December ulit. I love you, mahal ko, my other half, my partner, my Joe, my love, and my best friend. Joe, it's been 3,016 days and now we're finally here.
Kasi our fathers, parehong father namin, sir, they are stroked. Siyempre, mabagal silang maglakad. It will be hard to assist them. Pero I am happy kasi pareho silang nandito. Pareho nilang makikita ang little Kim at little Lyle dati na eto sila will soon build their own family, especially my father. Sobrang, sino ba namang anak yung hindi mahal ang tatay niya? Mahal na mahal ko ang tatay at nanay ko.
Eight ridiculous years, and it's been a roller coaster ride. To all of our struggles, hardship, endless fights, to our small wins and success in life. And we made it.
Natatandaan mo pa ba yung 0.01% na hiningi mo 8 years ago? Ito na yun. Una kong gustong pasalamatan si Lord kasi binigay ka niya sa akin. He blessed me with the man that I need, not with the man that I want.
Bakit nga ba sa mga nagdaang mga panahon ay kayo ang pinagtagpo ng Diyos sa mga panahon pagkatapos ng inyong tinawag na long relationship or long broken relationship? Dahil after 6 years, Kim after 4.5 years, nagkahiwalayan kayo ng inyong dating karelasyon. May nakalan pala sa iyo dahil si Kim yon. At may nakalan din pala para sa iyo, Kim, at yo'y si Lyle.
I promise to make you laugh at the silliest things because when you smile, your soul shines. I love you so much, my love, and thank you so much for accepting my awesomeness.
I was sitting in a field of pine trees, quoting the words from the earth and the dirt. Sort of mused that the words just wouldn't come. It's been a while since I saw you at New Year, holding your breath, your eyes upon the second hand. The way you looked is still there.
Kung paano namin siya pinlano na mangyayari siya dapat ng April 25, 2019, ganun pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. Kaya yung living philosophy namin as husband and wife is God really has a perfect plan. And we are the living testimony that God's plan are always the best.
You spell upon me. You're something out of a dream. And I like it, though I fight it. It took a while for the medicine to sink in, blow out the fog and remove all the cobwebs. Now I'm clear, I can hear myself think straight. I'm on the road with my clothes in a rucksack over my shoulder, following the whispers. People ask me where I'm going in such haste.
I can't promise to be your perfect wife, but I vow that this imperfect woman in front of you will love you perfectly. Sa lungkot at saya, at sa hirap at ginhawa.
Messing with my head. And I've been looking for you. Are you hiding? 'Cause I like the way you're calling to me.
Very happy. Dumating yung father niya. Finally, they will be completed as a family, as a one family.
Alam naman yung story ko na hindi ko nakasama yung tatay ko. Para tinuro ko yung tatay niya. Nakilala ko siya yung tatay niya. Kaya yung tatay niya siya, close na ako.
You're something out of a dream. You're something out of a dream.
Sabi nga natin dalawa, we will make this adventure more meaningful araw-araw. I love you, may Mr. Mark Lyle Maniago Timpo. Cheers to more. We prayed for this. It's here. It's happening now. More teamwork to come because we are team. Team Timpo. Love, Mrs. Kimberly Rose Ingal.